little bit of chicken fried. Well, hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did some chicken fried venison. One of my favorite ways to do it. One of the first ways I learned how to cook it as well was frying it. But, of course, being from the South, we will fry about anything. But anyways, this one's pretty straightforward. You just tenderize the venison after I've soaked it and washed it off really well. Then just flour it, egg it, flour it again. And then I seasoned my flour as well with salt and pepper. I seasoned my eggs with salt and pepper too. And then I'll just fry it at 350. It don't take really no time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, because they're tenderized out pretty thin. And cooking it at 350. And then you'll just take it out and drain it. And then I season it a little bit more with salt and pepper at the end. And then you can just enjoy it with biscuits or gravy or with just a dipping sauce like it is. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.